Hey everybody, welcome to Green Creek Farms. What we're going to do today, it's a little something different, but I mean we work on it a lot, is our gate, our electric gate opener is broken. We're going to spend a little time showing you what we're going to do, because what's happened, our gate's got a little damage to it due to an incident that happened back about a year ago. There was a criminal come through here and the police had to come through and bust our gate open. They damaged it, so, and it's kind of a cheap gate, so we're going to do a little bit of modifying to try to make it work. So hope y'all enjoy this and stay with us, okay?
I'm gonna take this wood out of here.
Okay.
Just kind of sit it off to the side for a minute.
All right, let me find my, here we go. What's happened is this gate right here got bent real bad, and we bought this mechanism here to hold this, but the problem is it keeps slipping and we're losing our adjustment on the gate and it don't open and close right. And also the gate's having some battery issues, so we got a lot to do to this. And I'm also going to hook the solar up to it, so we got the solar, it's got to go along with it. So there's just a lot we got to do today. So we'll see if I can get on this thing, get it off here. I probably should have brought a big long deep wall socket, but I don't even know if it'll go up on there or not.
Hold on.
Once you get it broke loose, it may spin off by hand. Is it good? There we go. I was hoping it would do that, because I'm going to take all this off. Because we're going to need this bracket right here when we finish this up.
Hammer?
No, I didn't bring a hammer. I got this. This will work for a hammer. Here you go. Use that. Okay. See if you can get in there and bite that and pull that apart. Yeah. Okay. There you go. There we go. That's not going to be fun to. Well, that'll come off pretty easy.
I'm going to take this off too.
Yeah.
Yeah. There we go.
I think that'll screw off there now. The whole idea to getting this apart right here is so we can use this back. Got to use this piece back, and we'll have to straighten it out. It's kind of bent up, but we'll have to use it back on the opener. Getting all this junk off of here to start back over. Before we bracket this thing up, I want to make sure that the gate opener is going to work. So I'm going to go ahead and get it wired up and put and get the solar all hooked up to it. Make sure we're still going to be working, because we had a little electrical problem, and I'm thinking it was just the battery. So we're going to try to get that resolved first, and then we'll go back to locking, putting the gate back together right here. So let's do that now. Okay, what I got to do is untangle all this mess right here first, all these wires, because they're in the way.
So here's the solar panel right here.
All right, pull it out. Yeah, pull it all the way through. Yeah.
Here's the solar panel.
And I'm going to go ahead and try to pull all these. What you have to do is turn this thing upside down
To be able to work on it.
so that you can get to the controls. Yep, on it, because they're on the bottom, and they tell you to do that in the directions while you're doing the work on it. I think
This is power.
well, actually, both of that and over there is too, and that's got a fuse on it. See, we had two different gate openers, and this is the power for the other one. See, it's got the.
And what if you unplug this?
That's what I'm gonna do. Yeah. I'm gonna undo this
use
one.
that one.
I'm gonna undo this one. Yeah.
Like that. Okay. So this is just extra. Okay.
Right. We'll use this power cord, because it's actually, I think it's got a fuse on it down there on the other end. So. All right. Hook that up. All right.
That shouldn't be. There's not a battery in that box.
No, there's not one in
So
there.
you should be able to just pull that cable this side and put it on the battery.
Well, we can.
Just to test it,
yeah, just
see
to
how
test
we
it.
do.
Might as well, yeah. Yeah. Let's do that. Here you go. Well, I want to redo both of these ends. In fact, let's just cut them off and start over.
If only we had some of those little fuse holders.
Yeah, really. All right.
I went to a local hardware store, and these little fuse holders like this, they're normally like $3 or $4 a piece. And I went to a clearance aisle and found some for 43 cents each. So I bought 30. Why not?
There you go. And I'm thinking, hold this a minute, because I think the solar, seems like it may hook right here. Yeah, here it is, solar input. Y'all, there's a lot of different brands of these gate openers. What is the brand of this? And then it's called a
Mighty Mule.
Mighty Mule is what this one is, but I don't really want to show you how to hook it up because you need to follow the directions on it. But on this one, there's a board, and the board it says solar, and the leads go there, and battery, hot and ground, positive and negative, and that's all I'm doing is just hooking that up. I'm right now to get it where it'll work. So we'll do that right quick and get it set. See if that solar panel's putting out. I think it probably is, but oh yeah, it is, because when I hooked it up, we got a green power light right here. I was worried if the solar panel was working or not, but it is, because as soon as I hooked this solar panel to the thing, the power on it, there's a green LED right there, and it just lit up.
See all those little
good and bright
right in there? That's where it's hooking to, right in there. Those little things. All right, we got solar hooked up, so it's charging the battery. It'll charge the battery properly too. This has a built-in charge controller. Okay, so now we got to go with the other end. Yeah, we done cut the other end, haven't we? Okay. All right, now I want to piece this. That's going to be the power, right?
Yeah, and I was just going to add all right, where's the fuse holder? Here it is right here. All right.
Still got it?
Yeah.
Okay.
All the way.
It's all the way.
Okay. All right. And then the hot side, see, I've got it ready. Maybe right there. There we go. All right. Now we're going to hook up the positive and the negative. There we go. It powered on. It's working. So there's 12.8 right there. See, anything above 12.6 is charging.
It's charging.
We're putting 2/10 in it, but see, if it sits like that with 2/10 of volt in it and does it all day long, it'll keep that battery hot.
That battery will be.
Okay. What I'm going to do is just put it right here, from this corner to this corner, right here. Oh. Let me see if I can get you a little slack. All right, I'm going to go in just a little more. We're going to put a bolt right there, okay? All right, now I need to run this in a little more. That'll work right there. Oh, okay. Yeah, I think we're pretty well lined up there now. All right. There we go. Now you want to go ahead and turn it over?
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah, I cleaned a dead spider out of it a minute ago.
Yeah.
So.
Okay.
Yep.
Let's see.
They work there.
Yeah. All right. Let's see. Yeah, that'll work right there. All right.
We don't have a cotter pen.
A pen. I don't think we've got a pen for that.
We may not. It may have never had a pen in it.
We'll come back and put one in it.
Yeah, we've got a bunch of them up there.
So you got it together now, right?
Yeah. It looks like we're good there. So.
All right. So all we got to do now is unhook the battery and move it back around there.
Yeah.
Unless you want to leave it right here. I don't guess it. Well, it'll hit the gate.
Yeah, I don't.
Yeah, we need it out of the way. Go through that. Go. Take your hand through. Not there. Not there. Two more back away from you. One more, and down one. Right through there. That'll work. See, it ain't far enough either.
What?
Your wrench won't go big enough for them two right there, will it?
I can look. I don't know.
I think it's binding, ain't it?
Yep.
So we're gonna have to bring it over a little bit, ain't we? Try to go to the next hole. If we
Okay,
can.
keep going.
We're on the outside hole there too, ain't we? Yeah. Yeah. That's all it's gonna do. Okay. Go ahead.
Try it again.
Yeah. It overloaded. Well, why is it doing that? Maybe the pressure setting's off or something. Now I need to close it all the way in. Yeah. And then we got to take that off and adjust it to fit. Right there.
We kind of got this wrong. We did it backwards. You're supposed to set this in the all the way open position first, because the open position on this model is not adjustable, but the closed position is. So what we have to do is we have to get this bracket and move it in a little bit more before it's all the way basically open. And then we should be able to adjust this as we need it when we close it.
Mark there. Now that should work.
I'll show you guys kind of what we're doing right quick. So
Now,
this is what we've done. We went back and camera over in here where you can see. There we go. So we went back and we got this all the way in. We got that marked where that needs to be. And then we're going to adjust this just like that.
take it
Where
apart.
this gate, when it's closed completely, we should be good. And then we'll set the open limit on it and go from there. So.
Okay, hold on. Let's start. See, the end stop is adjusted by this arm here that I'm twisting. So it don't matter where it don't matter where I set this, it's going to hit that switch in the same spot. I push that gate a little hard there for just a minute. Kind of, yeah, tight.
I'm leaning on it, so it's
Push it into that latch real good tight though, because it don't fit in it good. Is that okay?
close it, make sure it's going to close.
Whoop, whoop, whoop.
Okay. Where's the limit set button?
The one closest to you. There's two of them. Don't do the remote one.
Limit set. Okay.
Right.
1001, 1002, 1003, 1004, 1005.
Did I
Okay.
get it? Is that it?
Yeah, should be.
Now, see if your wrench will fit that. Let me close the gate first. Now tighten the inside one. About a half, maybe right there. That's probably okay. Let's stop right there. Stop right there. See, it can't go in far enough to latch.
Okay, well, right there, probably be easier for us to go get a grinder.
Was that your mom? She's gonna call, man. All right, guys, that's got it. I think the gate is open and closing like it should. We may have to do a little tweaking, get it where it'll tighten up a little bit, but it's not a problem. This took us probably, I don't know, maybe a couple hours to do this morning, trying to fix everything right because we wanted to get the solar and everything hooked up. So, you know, I hope this was a good video. I don't know, it may be too boring for you, but, you know, hopefully not. But hope y'all enjoyed it. Be sure to like and subscribe with Green Creek Farms. And I appreciate y'all watching and come back to the next one if you can. Thanks.